What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reheat cold pizza using just your air fryer. And it's fairly simple. You'll only need your pizza, an air fryer, and then a little bit of water. So I've actually got bottled water here, but you can use water right out of your sink. And what that is for is it'll actually keep your pizza from drying out. So I put a little bit of water in the bottom of my air fryer, and I'll show you what it looks like here. Because my air fryer actually has like a little grate in the bottom. So it'll stop that pizza from getting all soggy. And you can see that mine's preheating right now. So, but yeah, if you do have a grate like that, it is a good idea to put a little bit of water in there so your pizza doesn't dry out while cooking. So it's almost done preheating. I have it preheating to 400 degrees. Once it gets there, I'll go ahead and put the pizza in, and we'll let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on 400. So yeah, and then once it cooks for that amount of time, we'll go ahead and take it back out and we'll compare it, and it should look like we just took it out of the oven from Domino's. So we'll just give it a couple more seconds here for it to finish preheating. We should get our beep any second now. And while we're waiting, I'll just tell you guys a little bit about this air fryer. So this is the new Cosori Smart Air Fryer. You can actually connect this one to an app on your phone and control it directly with your phone, or you can even connect it to your Alexa device. You can have Alexa preheat it for you, tell you when everything's done. So yeah, the Cosori Smart Air Fryer is actually a really cool little device, and if you haven't actually jumped on the gun to get you an air fryer just yet, I would highly recommend getting this one. I've cooked all kinds of things in it, like French fries, pizza, jalapeno poppers that most people put on the grill. So okay, it has finished preheating, so now we're ready to go ahead and actually put the pizza in. And as you can see, my water is already in there. It's really hot, so I'll go ahead and just throw these right in, just like that. And be really careful not to touch the sides if you're preheating this, because they do get really hot. So now you can see everything's in there. Go ahead and close it back up. Alright, there we go. So we've got it set for 400 for 5 minutes. And as soon as it's done, we'll go ahead and take it out and we'll compare it. And it should look just like we took it just out of the oven from Domino's.
A few moments later.
Alright, so it's been about 2.5 minutes at this point, so that means it's about halfway done, and I can smell it and hear it cooking in there really well. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up just to check it out, just see what we've got so far. Ooh, man, actually, let me feel that. I think this might be... Oh yeah, that's hot. That's really hot. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't take a full 5 minutes, so it actually just cooked at 400 for 2.5 minutes, and it's ready to go. Let me actually feel this crust here. So yeah, that crust is crunchy still. That cheese is hot and melted. I'm actually gonna have to let it cool off before I pick it back up here. So, and it's definitely not dried out. That's the main thing. Like when you cook these in a microwave's gonna dry it out every single time. But with this air fryer, all I just put a little bit of water in the bottom below the grate, and you can't tell that this hasn't dried out at all. This is the best looking reheated pizza that I've ever cooked. As you can see, like, it looks like it just came out of the oven. That bacon is crisp on the edges. It definitely looks better than it did when we first put it in there. So yeah, as far as reheating cold pizza, you can't beat the Cosori air fryer, and especially the smart device. Like I said, you can control this one from your phone or your Alexa device, and it is awesome. I'll leave a link for it in the description below if anyone would like to check it out. You can look up all the reviews and everything directly on Amazon. But yeah, the Cosori air fryer is perfect for heating up cold pizza that would be ruined in the microwave. So there it is, you guys. I'm about to go ahead and dig in. Until next time, take it easy.